It's summertime, and that means camp for kids. We are so excited to go to camp this year. Our cabin has already been assigned. It's cabin 13, that's our lucky number. And we have a list of all the things that we need to bring. There are so many fun things to do at camp, like swimming and hiking and making new friends. But there is also one very important thing that we have to do every day, and that is laundry. Oh no, I really hate doing laundry. You probably think it's silly, but I would rather do anything else than laundry. We got our bathing suits and other clothes all ready to wash. We put all of our dirty clothes into the big hamper. Wow, this hamper is huge. There are so many clothes in here. No wonder they give us laundry duty every day. After everyone finished washing their clothes, they were so stinky. They smelled like chlorine and dirt and grass and a few other things that I don't want to mention. Now it was time to sort the clothes by color. All of the white clothes went into the big white bucket. The light-colored clothes went into the blue bucket. The dark-colored clothes went into the red bucket. But there was one thing that we couldn't sort. Do you know what it is? It's socks. Where do socks go? Are they light or are they dark? Sometimes I wear light-colored socks with my bathing suit, and sometimes I wear dark-colored socks with my pajamas. So are they light or are they dark? When I was little, I used to lose one sock from each pair. I would look everywhere for the missing socks, but I never found them. They just seemed to disappear. Well, I'm a little bit older now, but I still have trouble with disappearing socks. Do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make a rule. My rule is that if you can't decide if a sock is light or dark, then it must be magic. Ooh, let's test it out. This sock is black, so it's definitely dark. This sock is white, so it's definitely light. And this sock is gray. Gray is not light and it's not dark. Gray is in between. This sock must be magic. Wow, I can't believe that I've never noticed this before. I thought all socks were the same. I thought they were just light or dark. I had no idea that they could be magic. Now it's time to wash the socks. I put the magic socks in the middle of the hamper, the white socks in the white bucket, and the dark socks in the dark bucket. Then all of the buckets went into the washing machine. I felt so much better knowing that the socks were separated by their magic powers. It's amazing how something so small can make such a big difference. While the laundry was washing, we all went outside to play. When we came back inside, the laundry was dry, and it was time to put everything away. When I opened the basket, I saw something that made me gasp. The magic socks were gone. I looked all around the room, but I couldn't find them anywhere. I was so sad because I really liked those socks. Then I noticed something. There was a tiny little hole in the bottom of the hamper. I crawled underneath the bed and peeked inside. There were the missing socks. They weren't magic. They had simply slipped through the hole in the hamper. I learned that day that even if something seems like magic, there is always an explanation, and sometimes that explanation is simply a hole in a laundry basket. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you can hear more stories like this one.